During 2019, our employees proved time and again you can count on us to be safe and reliable. We counted on our traffic signal crews when a windstorm created widespread damage to infrastructure. They worked overnight to replace 45 damaged traffic signal heads at 35 intersections and align 25 twisted traffic signal heads at 18 intersections. Meanwhile, our electricity crews restored 29 power outage areas with a focus on maintaining worker and public safety. We count on all of our employees to keep each other safe and to look for new and better ways to ensure public safety every day. On March 5th, the Canadian Gas Association recognized Utilities Kingston with a Public Safety Leadership Award. Congratulations to all of our employees who contributed to the success. We can also count on Utilities Kingston employees to support our community. We are a proud supporter of the United Way of Kingston, Frontenac, Lennox, and Addington. The success of our campaign results from the efforts of our employees who lead the fundraising. We'd like to recognize Richard Rodriguez, who participated in our workplace campaign for over 30 years. His enthusiasm and creativity has inspired employees to donate and benefit our local community. You can count on us to find and fix water leaks in the municipal system. This effort helps provide a safe and reliable supply of drinking water, improve operating efficiency, reduce treatment costs, conserve water and energy, and ensure responsible infrastructure management. Achievements in 2019 included a focus on replacing leaking water service laterals, an active leak detection program, and improving data through metering. In 2019, work continued on the 4-year, $88 million expansion and upgrade of the Cataraqui Bay wastewater treatment plant. The upgrade will increase the plant's capacity to meet projected population growth. That's the kind of reliability a growing community needs to be able to count on. Our community can also count on us to look for ways to save energy and take climate action. In 2019, Utilities Kingston replaced natural gas line heaters at 2 regulating stations with more efficient equipment. We expect this upgrade will reduce energy consumption to heat natural gas by 50%. This is equivalent to 130 cars removed. Safety and reliability of service at the downtown core are also ensured by the operation of Municipal Substation No. 1, Kingston's oldest substation, located inside a heritage building on Lower Queen Street. Work continued on the substation in 2019 as part of a multi-year project and is expected to be completed by 2023. Thanks to all of our employees for such a strong year. Our community counts on you, and you continue to deliver safely and reliably every day, and come what may.